Peak Design Travel Weekender, 25 liters. I'm unboxing it. I just got it. The little rubber stoppers. This one is in sage. I like their sage. I also like their eclipse, but I got this in sage. And then here is the strap where you put it over the handle when you're going through with your luggage, roller luggage. Otherwise, it's pretty flat. Yeah, it seems like the same kind of material as their roller, which I have. Peak Design branding. Oh, here's their tags. 25 liters. 2.75 pounds just by itself. Here are the handles. I love the stitching on this. This feels very nice. And enough space too. Not enough to put over your shoulder, but it's enough to hold with a good grip. And zip. Looking inside. It's not a big opening, but you got pocket here, stretchy pockets, 3 of them here, here, and here. Lanyard, clip, this is plastic. Open this part in the back. Okay, I believe this is for the laptop. So you have one giant place, one big space for your 16-inch laptop or smaller, Velcro for a second side that's smaller than this side, so it'd be like a 16-inch laptop and maybe 11-inch iPad on this side. The partition is just a thin fabric, so it's nothing padded, but this is padded slightly on the back, which I think is okay. All right, now the main center of the bag with the double zipper. Ooh, this one goes all the way down there. Zip this all the way down on the bag. Opens up just like the toiletry bag and their other kinds of accessory bag, tech pouch. Opens up the same way with a larger form factor. So they have a centered zipper here. Oh, nice. And this almost seems like a water-resistant coating. I wonder if it is a water-resistant or not. Mesh pockets in here, goes all the way down. Lots of space here. 2 giant mesh pockets on the side. Oh, the strap is tucked in there. I didn't even notice that. So there is a very nice shoulder strap. Is this metal? Oh yeah. Metal carabiner locks. Really premium quality. Okay, this goes all the way down. This side, flip it. So here you have a mesh pocket there. Yeah, just a lot of space. That's great. Just to compare sizes to see what a 25 liter looks like compared to Peak Design's 10 liter and a 7 liter. So here's Peak Design's version 3 of their shoulder sling, camera sling. This is 10 liters. This is in Eclipse. So this is their 10 liters, 25 liters. Can you fit the 10 liter inside the 25, I wonder? Let's see. You could if this partition wasn't there, but you can't remove that. So this could fit in here. That's the size comparison. And I also just got, this is their 7 liter. This is, I think, their adventure outdoor sling. This one's also in Eclipse. 7 liter, 25 liter. Let's see if the 7 liter fits in the 25. Yeah, the 7 liter to me is like a packing cube, so that fits. Sometimes what I do when I travel is I'll have a smaller sling and either fill it up and use it as like a packing cube or keep it completely empty and then just put it in one of my other bags. And then when I arrive at my travel destination, I pop this out, and then I don't walk around with this one. I have the sling that I could walk around with, and it's much lighter, more convenient, and only take what I need for the day. Okay, so that's the Weekender in Sage.